Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if your shop page has a slow loading time. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this main page. From this home page right here in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. If you have one, go and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this main page in the upper left corner, we can get started with accessing our configuration tab and site settings that are going to enable us to manage our website. And now we can get started following this article right here on the official Odoo forums with the very slow response times that somebody else has been having. So what I suggest for you to do is go to the official odoo.com/forum section right here and search the forums using the search bar for similar articles and threads to this one. You want to search for problems people have had similar to yours and take a look at what the comments and people who are knowledgeable about Odoo are saying. So go ahead and find the comments right here and follow them step by step. Everything you need is going to be right here in the configuration tab in the upper left corner, and the site settings that are going to enable you to manage them. So just get started following the steps, take a look at how they're going to apply to your website, and that's all you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.